Clock keeps ticking, but time won't move. Your sweater's still hanging, it smells like you. The bed's too wide, my heart's too small. I hear your voice in every wall. I tried to drown your name in rain, but every drop still sounds the same. I light a candle, it fades too soon, just like us in this empty room. 'Cause you were my sunrise, now I live in the dark. You took the fire, left the spark. I talked to your shadow, it never replies. God, it's killing me slowly, how silence cries. The mirror shows a stranger's face, one who's trapped in your embrace. I scroll through old messages, read and reread. Every word's a wound that still bleeds. Your laughter haunts these faded halls, it's painted on the cracks and walls. If love was heaven, then this is doomed. Just me and ghosts in this empty room. 'Cause you were my sunrise, now I live in the dark. You took the fire, left the spark. I talked to your shadow, it never replies. God, it's killing me slowly, how silence cries. Maybe someday I'll let you go, but how do you free a soul you hold? I see you in dreams I can't erase. You're gone, but your memory stays. You were my sunrise, now I'm lost in the dark. You took my heart, left a scar. I whisper your name, but it fades too soon. Just echoes and tears in this air.